Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for in-depth beauty reviews. Today we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the nail care world, the Bliss Kiss Simply Pure Fragrance-Free Nail Oil Cuticle Pen. If you've been searching for a solution to brittle, peeling, or breaking nails, this might just be the game changer you need. The Bliss Kiss Simply Pure Nail Oil Cuticle Pen is designed for those who struggle with weak and damaged nails. It's more than just a cuticle oil. It's a comprehensive nail growth and strengthening serum packed with nourishing ingredients. The star of the show is Jojoba Wax Ester, complemented by vitamin E and a blend of other wholesome oils. This product is not only effective but also travel-friendly, thanks to its spill-proof design that makes it a perfect companion for on-the-go nail care. My experience with this cuticle pen has been nothing short of impressive. From the first application, it's clear that the formula is top-notch. The oil is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the nails and skin, making it incredibly user-friendly. Unlike other oils that can leave your hands feeling oily, this one strikes the perfect balance, providing deep hydration without any unwanted residue. In terms of performance, Bliss Kiss delivers. After consistent use, I've noticed a significant improvement in the strength and appearance of my nails. They feel stronger, less prone to breakage, and the surrounding skin is noticeably softer and healthier. It also does wonders for healing hangnails, making it a must-have in any nail care routine. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product is made with high-quality ingredients, has a convenient and mess-free application, and is highly effective at promoting nail health. However, it is on the pricier side compared to other cuticle oils on the market. If budget is a concern, you might want to consider alternatives like the Magique Vitalopen, which offers similar benefits at a lower price point. Now, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It's a small click for you, but a huge help for us, enabling us to bring more content your way and helping others discover our reviews too. In comparison to other products, Bliss Kiss stands out for its consistency and quality. Unlike L'Occitane's cuticle oil, which takes longer to absorb, or the Body Shop's almond oil, which is thicker and harder to apply, Bliss Kiss offers a perfect blend of fast absorption and deep hydration. It's a bit more expensive, but the results justify the investment, especially if you're serious about nail care. When it comes to value for money, this cuticle pen is definitely worth considering, especially if you're dealing with chronic nail issues. The build quality is solid, with a pen that's easy to use and durable enough to withstand daily handling. The customer support from Bliss Kiss is also commendable, with quick responses and helpful guidance available if you ever have any questions. For real-world testing, I used this product for a month, applying it twice daily. The improvement in nail strength and reduction in hangnails were noticeable within the first 2 weeks. Plus, the portability of the pen made it easy to keep up with my routine, even on busy days. In conclusion, the Bliss Kiss Simply Pure Nail Oil Cuticle Pen is a high-quality, effective solution for anyone looking to improve the health and appearance of their nails. It's particularly well-suited for those who are constantly on the go, but still want to maintain a diligent nail care routine. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, it's a product that truly delivers on its promises. Thank you for watching today's review. You can find the link to purchase this product in the comments box below. And don't forget to leave your thoughts if you've tried this product or if you have any questions about it. I'd love to hear your feedback.